The fourth industrial revolution, the so-called Industry 4.0, is the result of the combination of advanced manufacturing techniques with information technology and data analysis. In this new digital age, machines and people are connected in real time to streamline and enhance processes, providing added value. New technologies are key, not only in the manufacturing process, but also in other phases of industrial production. Augmented reality, a fundamental technology in the new digital age, has come to play a decisive role in the new industrial challenges. At Seabury, we are experts on the design of augmented reality applications, completely adapted to the requirements of companies, allowing their incorporation to the new trends of the Industry 4.0. We call it Augmented Industry 4.0. Our developments and services allow to create a digital twin with which we can interact through augmented reality in our workplace. View plans, manuals, or technical specifications in digital format. Transform technical contents with multimedia didactic resources. Check the configuration of different elements. Manage spare parts purchase. Generate statistics and performance history. Optimize parameters. And perform predictive maintenance of installations and components.
Remove the wheel 230.1 from the camshaft.
Overlapping computer-generated images and information onto real industrial installations helps to reduce time, increase efficiency, promote training, improve accuracy. Seabury pioneers the development of augmented reality welding simulation. Our Sodomatic augmented training solution is the first turnkey welding system for training qualified welders with this technology, increasing efficiency and reducing costs. With more than 2,000 Sodomatics distributed worldwide, we are present in more than 400 companies, institutions, and training centers in more than 45 countries. Industrial giants like Volkswagen, Daimler Mercedes, Siemens, MAN, or John Deere already use our technology to train their welders and technicians. Sodomatic augmented training adapts to different industrial sectors and can also be connected to a robotic arm, allowing training in robotic welding without risk, emissions, or consumable costs. Augmented Industry 4.0. Transforming industry with augmented reality.